Hey everybody, Icemanfiveoh here. So you haven't seen any videos in a couple of days. Thursday night, I was riding Trevor's Navi, and I was going around a curve. I hit a bump, and the next thing I know, I was eating the pavement. So I got pretty messed up, but I was still able to get up and ride the bike back home. I messed up my foot and my knee, so the foot's pretty swelled up. The knee is when I stood up on it, my leg went ways it shouldn't have gone. So now I gotta go see Orthopedics here, but I'm hoping this doesn't put an end to the motorcycle season. It very well could for me. I was going slow. I was just driving around, and I was going about 25 miles an hour. I was going around a curve in a funny spot, and it's like I hit a bump. I have the video. I might include a small portion of it, but I hit the bump, and you could hear the brakes lock up, which is weird. Maybe me hitting the bump caused my foot to hit the brakes or something. The foot brakes, which would maybe then actuated part of the front brakes. I feel like, I hit the bump and went over, the brakes locked, and then the front kind of came to a stop. So, if I feel like the back brake does some of the front brake too on the foot brake, I think. So I don't know. I hope that wasn't the cause of it, because that's kind of messed up. Like if there was a bump that caused me to hit my foot on the brake and then it kind of locked up the front brakes, that's not great. So yeah, you can see here I got my leg in a semi-permanent hard cast. No broken bones supposedly. But like I said, now we got to go and do, who knows, maybe I did some bad, tore my ACL or my tendons or so, who knows. I have no pain, but yeah, so of course, the first thing that I'm concerned about after this happens to me is I'm like, Trevor's going to kill me. Which, looking at the bike, it really sustained very, very minor damage for what happened. I was able to get a count of all the parts, and, I got some parts on order. It was like $55-$60 for parts, and I double ordered some stuff just in case, and, but it's actually really just fine. It's kind of hard to believe, but the foot peg really saved it. I don't know. We'll have to, shoot some aftermath or something, but, Trevor's coming home early from his vacation. I didn't want to spoil it for him, so we're just going to wait till he gets home and just tell him what happened. It was an accident. I don't exactly know how it happened, but let it be a warning to him not to go that way, because it's out there. So, but, so yeah, I'll just keep you guys in the loop, and, it's going to be real fun getting back and forth to work now, because, how am I, luckily I can work remote for a while, but then, just depending on what happens. I hope I don't have a permanent, a cast for 8 weeks. That would suck. So, all right, guys, we'll see you in the next one, all right? Easy.